Very local. Right, so it's 3 o'clock, so our room should be ready. So let's just hope it is. If not, my husband will complain. So we've come to the hotel and it's completely and utter chaos. So it's supposed to be check-in at 3 o'clock. So look at this. It's just like Daniel's been queuing about half an hour now just to go and get our. All we have to do is get our room key. We checked in the line and there's like a half an hour wait just to get your room key, which is a bit ridiculous. Let's be honest. But what can you do? There's the Shop Bay Boutique. So we've just got the usual. There's Mickey driving the boat. Some Pandora. Just the usual. Mugs, cups, plates, dishes. I've got that dish at home. How much are they? Let's do some new ones. €2 each. Cups. A for Adam. There we go. We've got some soap dispensers, some stitches. Biscuits. How much are the biscuits, do we think? €12 for biscuits. The tin's quite nice. Popcorn buckets. All sorts of nice things. More ears, mini ears. And this seems to be the colour of the moment, this lilac sort of purpley colour. Probably if it rains, I don't think it's going to rain today. There's some quite cool boxer shorts, which I quite fancy actually. How cool are they? So we are in room 2153. Anybody there? Apparently not, but the door opens on its own. So here we go. So we start over here. No lights are on. So you come in, there's a little, like, your sink is here. Hello, look, all my friends are dogs. But not all dogs are my friends. But there you go. Anyway, so there's your sink, etc. You got your hairdryer. Right, nice lighting, you know. Bathroom. So there's the shower. Haven't had a shower yet. I'm looking forward to one because it's very hot today. Big bath. Somewhere to sit. And then the royal throne is there as well. This is quite a nice condition, this room. Some of them are a bit battered, but this one seems okay. There is a safe, okay, which is there, but there is no fridge. Okay, only fridges in the very expensive rooms. And plenty of wardrobe space there. And then oh look, there I am again. Someone else is here. Say hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Anyway, we digress. So 2 beds. Okay, 2 big beds, so we get a bed each, which is nice. Look, I told you all my friends were dogs. There's another one there. There he is. So you can see it's all Mickey shapes everywhere. And then you've got Mickey wallpaper up there. Oh, just move the camera. Mickey wallpaper up there. Okay, all the way around. Massive big telly, which is good. Big chest of drawers. And quite, oh, there we go. There's plenty of room in there. Okay, and then you've got your table here, and then a desk. You get free water, so there was 2 bottles of water in, which we'll do for tonight. There's a nice bucket, ice machine in the corridor somewhere. You got your coffee, tea machine, and there I am again. Look, I'm everywhere. There we go. So it's okay, the room. It's not the biggest room ever, but it's okay. And bit of a visa review. View is of the lake over there. Well, that's okay. I don't think the window's open. Oh, only like that. So not much cut, but there's air conditioning and everything. So I hope you enjoyed a little brief room tour. But that, you know, there's not much to it. So there we go. See you later.